Garbage disposal leaks at the sink flange are way more common than you think, and fixing them doesn't have to be a total hassle. So here's the deal. First, check if those mounting bolts under your sink are loose. Sometimes they just need a little snugging up with a wrench. If that doesn't stop the leak, the gasket between the disposal and the sink might be worn out or cracked, so swapping it out usually does the trick. When you replace the gasket, make sure to clean off any old putty or grime so the new one seals tight. Also, don't forget to check the drain pipes connected to the disposal because leaks can sneak out there too. While you're at it, inspect the splash guard. Sometimes it's damaged or shifted and causes water to escape. If tightening bolts and replacing the gasket doesn't help, it could mean the flange itself has some damage, and that might need a pro's touch to replace. Lastly, always give everything a good test run by running water and turning on the disposal for a minute to catch leaks early. One of the biggest garbage disposal leaks at sink flange mistakes is ignoring loose mounting bolts. They're often the simplest fix, but get overlooked. A quick tightening can save you from water damage. Another common issue is using old or cracked gaskets without replacing them regularly. Fresh gaskets create a better seal and prevent leaks. Lastly, people sometimes forget to clean the area before installing a new gasket, which messes with how well it seals. So make sure everything is spotless before putting parts back together. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who actually know what they're doing with stuff like garbage disposal repairs. On the flip side, it's a great way for contractors to get connected with people who need their skills and want honest work done.